Hey guys, welcome back to our Echo Education series called Echo in 11. Today we're going to talk about the midesophageal bicaval view. The view is named the bicaval view because here we have the two vena cava. So we have the superior vena cava on the right side of the image and the inferior vena cava on the left side of the image. Both of these empty into the right atrium. And then once again, across that intraatrial septum is the left atrium, closest to our TEE probe. On the next slide, we'll look at a frozen image of this view, and we'll talk about the importance, the clinical utility of this. So here is a frozen image of that view, and we'll just talk about the importance of this view and the clinical utility of it. So one of the reasons you might want to look at a bicaval view is to assist with line placement. There are a number of different ways to confirm that your either internal jugular or subclavian line is in the SVC and in the right heart, and one of them is echo. So you can actually see the wire coming in the SVC and into the right atrium if you do this on echo. The other thing that will be useful is if your surgeon is placing ECMO lines. So one of the nice things about this view is because it's the IVC, when lines come up the venous system into the groin, you can see them coming up this way. So what will happen is you'll see wires and you'll eventually see an ECMO cannula, and it usually sits right about there in the right heart. So you're able to help surgeons with line placement. Also, here we have the intraatrial septum. So this is a really good view to look for ASDs and PFOs. So the foraminal valley is this little thin part right here. And if you had a patent foraminal valley, what you would see is you would see color flow if you were to do color flow Doppler. And because this is our left atrium up here, and the pressure in the left atrium is higher than the pressure in the right atrium, in normal circumstances, that PFO is going to flow this way. So you'll see a color jet flowing from the left atrium to the right atrium.